Hi guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to do a really pretty and fairly simple crown braid. Just going to start at the top of her head and I'm going to braid all the way around, and then I'm going to show you how to get the end of the braid and tuck it back in so it's one continuous circle of hair. Okay, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to use, this is Tangle Spray, which is available from Sweetheart Hair Designs. I'll put a link in the comments below. And I'm going to spray that around her hairline, just to help catch any little flyaways and little wispy baby hairs, and to help the hair go more smoothly into the braid. I'm going to comb that through all the way around. And then I'm going to do a side parting. This is so that when we're finished, the braid sits symmetrically over her head, and I'll explain that later. So taking a slice of hair straight along that part line, parallel lines, I'm going to take the hair and take it into 3 pieces. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to take this left piece over the middle, and then I'm going to take the right piece over the middle. So we're going to repeat those steps now, but I need to add some more hair to the left. So I'm going to scoop a bit of hair from the front. I like to use a comb just to keep out any lumps and bumps because she's got a few little baby hairs. Take both of those pieces over the middle, and then I'm going to add another piece of hair to the right side. Combine those together, and then take both those pieces over the middle. Scoop up another piece from the left hand side, combine it with that piece of hair, take both over the middle, and then go back to the right hand side and add some more hair. And then you're continuing that pattern all the way around her head. Okay, so when you've finished using all the hair on that part line, you're going to now take the hair in sections like on an orange or in a clock, and you're going to go round from that point and just take the hair out in slices all the way around till you get back to the beginning, and then that's where you'll end the braid. So we're just going to carry on now, going around the head, adding hair to the left, and then taking it over the middle, coming down from that point, adding hair to the right, taking it over the middle, going back around the ear, going over the middle, going back to that point, and just keep going from that one point all the way around the head. Okay, so we've run out of hair to add now, so we're not going to be adding any more to the sides. We're just going to keep doing the stitches over the middle, but we're not going to go all the way to the end, and that's really important just to give it a neater look in the end. So as you can see where my finger is there, that is symmetrical with where we started doing the braiding without adding. So I'm going to tie it off with an elastic band just here, so that when it's finished, it looks equal across the top of her head. And then using one of these topsy tails, which are easily bought from Amazon, I'm just going to take that hair through the stitch. If you can see, I'm just going to pull it through, and I've tied the elastic band so that when it goes through, it sits underneath the stitch and you can't see it. And then I'm going to use the topsy tail again to weave the hair through the stitch so you can't see it, it just makes it look invisible. And that's why I didn't braid all the way to the end, because I think this looks far neater if it's just hair going through and not an actual braid going through the braid. So just pulling it through until all those last little tails are just tucked in. This style works so well, you don't need any pins. One elastic band and the whole style's done. There you go. There is one continuous braid of hair there, and it's really difficult to see where it finishes because you've used that topsy tail to just tuck it all in. So we hope you like that tutorial and you give it a go. Please give us a big thumbs up and leave us a comment. We'd love to know what you think. And be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos coming very, very soon. Thank you then. Bye.